Today we are unboxing and I shall say inspecting the Louis Vuitton Takashi Murakami white key clay or key pouch. Now, if you are familiar with Reddit, you will see that there are some quality issues going around with this specific piece. And I will say, I think I received the same one. So here is the key clay, and just overall, it's not doing well. She's not doing well. So on the zipper, you have it like kind of, I don't know, there's like a buckle, like it feels like the zipper is way above. I feel like it should be more like this. The side, like this is not good craftsmanship. The bottom, same issue there. And the other side, again, the same. So I don't know if this is the same return that everyone keeps receiving and they just keep like sharing it around. Inside here is like the stamp. It says Louis Vuitton Murakami, and then you have the four little embossed stamps. It doesn't say made in France or made in, wherever. So I do think this is probably made in Texas in the USA. It does have the gold hardware, just to give you like a little tour of the actual pouch itself. And then you do have like the gold carabiner on the side. So overall, it's pretty cute. I just wish that it was constructed well, and because of these quality issues, it is going to be returned. And I would encourage anybody that does receive either this one or one similar to do the same. Like, this is not worth, what we pay for Louis Vuitton. This feels like a knockoff. It feels like a cheap knockoff. So we're definitely going to be sending her back, but let me know what you think of it in the comments below, either, the overall style or these malfunctions. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.